Students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and keeping yourself safe. Today is Tuesday, 27th April 2021. Fifth class, open your SST book page number 10. Today the topic is climate change. Climate change is a change in the climate patterns of a region or on a global scale. From the mid to late 20th century onwards, the increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere have caused a rise in the temperatures on Earth. The impact of climate change is becoming evident around the world. The use of fossil fuels has been the main contributor to climate change. Agriculture and deforestation and the manufacture of cement, chemicals, and metals are also contributing to the increase in greenhouse gases. The greenhouse effect. What is the greenhouse effect? Greenhouse gases allow sunlight to pass through the atmosphere and reach the Earth's surface. Some of the sunlight is captured as heat on the Earth and some of it goes back towards space. This trapping of heat inside the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. When these gases are kept in the right amount, they trap just enough heat to keep the earth warm for life to survive. Without greenhouse gases, the earth would be very chilly with temperature falling to minus 17 degrees centigrade. Students, we learn about what is the greenhouse gases. ग्रीन गैसेस क्या करती हैं, अलाउ करती हैं सनलाइट को कि एटमॉस्फेयर से अर्थ सरफेस से जो रीच कर सकें और वहाँ से गुजर जाए और वहाँ से कुछ हीट वापस स्पेस तक भिजवाती हैं. दिस ट्रैपिंग ऑफ हीट, ट्रैप करना होता है बेटा खींचना, ट्रैपिंग लेना किसी से, ट्रैपिंग ऑफ हीट द एटमॉस्फेयर इज कॉल्ड द ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट. ठीक है, अगर ये ना हो तो क्या होगा कि हमारा जो अर्थ है वो बहुत ज़्यादा चिली हो जाएगा. जो अभी वार्म होता है ना वो इनकी ज़्यादा की वजह से होता है. अगर चिली हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा, टेम्परेचर माइनस 17 डिग्री तक चला जाएगा. तो ये इस चीज़ में आता है. और सेकेंडली हमारे पास आते हैं बेटा इफेक्ट्स ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज ऑन क्लाइमेट. Changing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere can lead to warming or cooling of the क्लाइमेट सिस्टम. अभी मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया कि जो ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज हैं अगर तो वो ज़्यादा हो जाएंगी या कम हो जाएंगी तो वो क्या कर देंगी, या तो कूल कर देंगी या बहुत ज़्यादा वार्म कर देंगी. एन इंक्रीज इन द अमाउंट ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज इन द एटमोसफेयर इंक्रीज द ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट विच इज़ क्रिएटिंग ग्लोबल वार्मिंग एंड ब्रिंगिंग अबाउट क्लाइमेट चेंज. ओके, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो सकती है. ग्लोबल मतलब कि वार्म हो जाना पूरा एरिया का, और ब्रिंग क्लाइमेट चेंज, बहुत बड़ा क्लाइमेट चेंज आएगा. बर्निंग ऑफ फॉसल फ्यूल्स को जलाना. द बर्निंग मीन्स जलाना किसी चीज़ को. द बर्निंग ऑफ फॉसल फ्यूल्स सच एज पेट्रोलियम, कोल एंड नेचुरल गैस प्रोड्यूसेस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट रन on petrol. Coal is used as energy resources in power plants. Similarly, factories and mills that run on fossil fuels release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Due to rapid industrial development all around the world, more vehicles are being added to the roads and more industries are being set up. As a result, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air is increasing. There is a picture shown about smoke produced by the burning of petrol as you travel in the outside. And when you go for outdoor activity, when you go for somewhere to visit someone's house, you just visit and you just seen that the smoke is all over because the vehicles are burning of petrol. So there is some problems of breathing, there is some problems of other kind of health issues. So you just need to understand that burning of fossil fuels create global change, global greenhouse gases change or climate change. Next is deforestation. Inshallah, deforestation we will discuss in tomorrow's lecture, and today is it enough for you all. And next we all as you all need to learn about question number 5 or 6. Question number 5, how can planting more trees help to reduce climate change? Okay, trees act as the lungs of the earth. They take in carbon dioxide, which is the main cause of climate change, and release in the air. This may be the air gets purified. And the next is, what are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases exist in the earth's atmosphere and allow sunlight to pass through it and reach Earth's surface, thereby regulating the Earth's temperature. Students, you just revise, you just learn about these two questions and clear your concepts. Thank you. Take care of yourself.